and have joined the college. It was here that I met the Western education, which made me question the existence of God and made me keep asking the question of God's existence to different people like Devendranath Tagore or Keshav Chandra Sen, till I met my guru. I remember once in an English class, my professor was reading a poem of William Wordsworth, in which the poet describes a trance-like state. I still remember those lines. For oft when on my couch I lie, in vacant or in pensive mood, they flash upon that inward eye, which is the bliss of solitude. And then my heart with pleasure fills and dances with the daffodils. The professor explained that this was the state of samadhi attained by the sages. He further explained to a very curious me that such a state was not merely the myth of ancient times, but has been attained even by present-day holy men like Sri Ramakrishna of Dakshineshwar, who was the one to kindle in me the final determination to follow the path that he himself had trod. As in him, I found my greatest ideal realized.
ठाकुर, ईश्वर देखेছো কি? ঠাকুর, क्या आपने ईश्वर देखा है?
হ্যাঁ রে, দেখেছি। যেমনি আমি তোকে দেখছি তেমনি আমি ঈশ্বরকে দেখি। তুই দেখবি কি?
हाँ, मैंने देखा है। जैसे मैं तुम्हें देख रहा हूँ वैसे मैं ईश्वर को भी देख रहा हूँ। क्या तुम देखना चाहोगे?
এই লোভিনু সঙ্গ